Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the KPK Math for All YouTube channel. In previous lecture, we were discuss a sequence and series. But now in today's lecture, we want to explain arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Sequence is also called progression. Now we will define it. Numbers are said to be arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression when its term increase or decrease by a common difference. Another definition: when the difference between two consecutive terms or successive term is same or common, then the sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. When the difference between two consecutive term or successive term is same, then the sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Now we want to find the n term or general term of an arithmetic sequence. But how we find arithmetic sequence or general term of the arithmetic sequence? Nth term of an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. But how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression? For this, let A1 be the first term and D be its common difference. Let A1 be first term and D be its common difference. Then the consecutive term of an arithmetic sequence is given by A1 is equal to A1 plus 0D, which is equal to A1 plus 0. We can write in the form of 1 minus 1 into D. A2 is equal to A1 plus 1D, which is equal to A1 plus 1. We can write in the form of 2 minus 1 into D. Similarly, A3 is equal to A1 plus 2D, which is equal to A1 plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, A4 is equal to A1 plus 3B, which is equal to A1 plus 3. We can write in the form of 4 minus 1 into D. Similarly, A5 is equal to A1 plus 4D, which is equal to A1 plus 4. We can write in the form of 5 minus 1 into D. And so on. N is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D is the required n term of an arithmetic sequence or general term of an arithmetic sequence. Here n is the n term of an arithmetic sequence. A1 is the first term of an arithmetic sequence and shows number of term in the arithmetic sequence, where D shows common difference, where D shows common difference. But now, what is common difference? Common difference, the common difference is found, the common difference is found by subtracting any the common difference is found by subtracting any first term from the second term. Means that the common difference is found by subtracting any first term from the second term. Let's take one example of the arithmetic sequence: 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on is the arithmetic sequence. Now we want to find the common difference, that between every two terms the common difference is self. D is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Similarly, D is equal to, if we want to subtract 4 from 6, 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Similarly, if we want to subtract 6 from 8, we get 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Thanks.